This is new EP Technologies Saildrive. I'm going to give you a run through some of the features on this and show you what's made this unit quite innovative. She's a permanent magnet motor running in this Saildrive, and it's based on an entirely new leg system. So the original systems were often used on Yanmar legs, and this one in particular is a 3D model of a Yanmar leg. So what we can see with this is it's pretty bulky, it's pretty huge, and it's been very, very good for a long time in the market. The guys at EPT decided, hang on, we can do things a little bit better. So what they've done is slim down this, so the size difference is huge. So of course, it's not just that, it's also the shape of the foil on this. This has been through many CNC routes and testing and all sorts of computer generated design to ensure perfect water flow about this. So basically this is a lot more efficient than the old Yanmar systems. The next thing they've come up with is the ability to just stay with efficiency throughout the whole system. What we've got here is it's a folding propeller. Now folding propellers are proven to have 40% more efficiency than that of a feathering propeller. And the reason for that is feathering propellers do not have this airfoil shape, so we're not generating lift from the prop. And that's because it needs to basically be a straight line to feather, otherwise it would always be trying to spin. And so by having this system in forward propulsion, we're about 40% more efficient than a feathering prop. The leg as well is indefinitely adjustable, and that's purely because it's adaptable to any leg, and that's done in-house at EPT. Next things we've got going on with this are its range. You know, we're able to put this on boats from anywhere around 30 feet and taking it up to 60 feet.